Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, there lived a girl named Elara. She was known as the Broken Girl, for her heart was shattered into countless pieces, each shard a reminder of the pain she endured. Elara's story began with a tragedy. When she was just a child, her parents perished in a terrible accident, leaving her orphaned and alone. She was taken in by her aunt and uncle, but their love could not fill the void left by her parents' absence. As she grew older, Elara struggled to find her place in the world. She was haunted by memories of her parents and plagued by feelings of guilt and sorrow. She became withdrawn, retreating into herself and pushing others away. Despite her pain, Elara found solace in nature. She would often wander into the forest, losing herself among the towering trees and babbling brooks. In the quiet of the woods, she felt a sense of peace that eluded her in the village. One day, while exploring deeper into the forest than she had ever ventured before, Elara stumbled upon a hidden glade. In the center of the clearing stood a magnificent oak tree, its branches reaching towards the sky like outstretched arms. Drawn to the tree, Elara approached cautiously. As she reached out to touch its rough bark, she felt a strange warmth spread through her body. It was as if the tree was reaching out to her, offering comfort and understanding. From that day on, Elara visited the oak tree regularly, pouring out her heart to it as if it were an old friend. She shared her hopes and dreams, her fears and sorrows, and with each visit, she felt a little bit lighter. One afternoon, as Elara sat beneath the oak tree, a voice broke through the stillness of the forest. Startled, she looked around but saw no one. "Who's there?" she called out, her heart pounding in her chest. "It is I, the spirit of the forest," the voice replied, gentle and melodic. "I have watched you, broken girl, and I have heard your cries. But there is hope yet for you, if you are willing to seek it." Elara's eyes widened in astonishment. She had heard tales of the forest spirit, but she never imagined she would encounter it herself. "What must I do?" she asked, her voice barely above a whisper. "You must embark on a journey," the spirit said. "A journey to mend your broken heart and find the strength within yourself to heal." With those words, the spirit vanished, leaving Elara alone once more. But now, she felt a spark of hope ignite within her. Perhaps there was a way to overcome the pain that had consumed her for so long. Determined to heed the spirit's advice, Elara set out on her journey. She traveled through valleys and over mountains, across rivers and through forests, her heart heavy with sorrow but her spirit buoyed by the promise of healing. Along the way, Elara encountered many challenges. She faced fierce storms and treacherous terrain, but she persevered, drawing on the strength she never knew she possessed. One day, while resting beside a tranquil lake, Elara met a wise old woman who seemed to see straight into her soul. "You carry a heavy burden, child," the woman said, her voice filled with compassion. "But it is not yours to bear alone." With tears in her eyes, Elara poured out her heart to the old woman, confessing her deepest fears and regrets. To her surprise, the woman listened without judgment, offering comfort and wisdom in return. "Your journey is far from over, my dear," the woman said, her eyes twinkling with an inner light. "But remember, it is in our brokenness that we find our strength. Embrace your scars, for they are a testament to the battles you have fought and the victories you have won." With renewed determination, Elara continued on her journey, her heart lighter than it had been in years. Along the way, she collected fragments of her shattered heart, each piece a symbol of her resilience and her capacity for love. Finally, after many months of travel, Elara returned to the village where her story began. But she was no longer the broken girl who had left so long ago. She was a survivor, a warrior, and her heart, though still scarred, was whole once more. As she stood beneath the oak tree that had become her sanctuary, Elara felt a sense of peace wash over her. The journey had been long and difficult, but it had been worth it. For in finding the courage to confront her pain, she had discovered the strength to embrace life once more. And so, the broken girl became a beacon of hope for all who knew her, a reminder that even in our darkest moments, there is light to be found if only we have the courage to seek it. Thank you for watching this video.